Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Adra açayım mı?
Let's go ahead and open it.
Aynı mı? Bu benim
I like this one better. Let's see what it has. It says lava technology,
Bu benim
LED
mi baba?
tires, tech light syncs
Tekerlerin
to the beat,
ışıkları dayanıyormuş.
dynamic speakers, right Jetson app,
Baba, bu
recommended
benim
12
mi?
plus. I have kids
Açalım.
2.5,
Açalım
4.5.
baba.
Let's go ahead and open it. Let me see first. One second, ladies. Okay, we have the charger. As you see.
Ay, hoverboard diyorum, hoverboard. Benim mi hoverboard'um küçük?
Okay, let me check. I know what is inside. It's just user manual. And, let's see the hoverboard
Baba açalım mı?
right there. And then, okay. It says maximum range is up to 12 miles. Maximum speed 12 miles per hour. And weight limit is 220 liber.
Tekerleğine.
Climbing angle is up to 15
Azra bak tekerleğine.
degrees.
Bir deneyeyim mi? Hayır.
Okay, this is the hoverboard. Let's go ahead and look
Baba
at it.
bak.
It's lava. That means we can see the
Bu
lights.
yere diyor.
And it has
Azra
turn
senin
on and
olacak.
turn off button and charger port.
Hayır bu benim.
Okay, that's it. Alright, this is the application. It has 2.5 stars.
Yiyeyim mi?
Open it. Okay. Allow once. Okay, I can skip this. I don't need to sign up right now. System is on. Oh, you can track the ride. Oh,
Hoverboard kendisi
okay.
gidebilir.
Leyla, right. I don't know, how is this possible?
Tekerlekler.
Wow.
Baba bak
You
tekerleğine.
can see where your kid is. It shows everything.
Azra bak tekerleğine.
Leyla,
Hı?
şöyle bir gez de gel.
Bak baba. Bak baba.
Okay, now you can see where she's going. At half a mile per hour. The top speed 2.2 miles per hour.
Gel.
It shows the distance.
Kaç.
Let's stop this.
Ama ders.
Okay, you have some settings here. You can rename your hoverboard. You can change the password, miles per hour. Set the maximum speed. Oh my god, I like that one. Because my kids are going really fast. And steering sensitivity. Set auto shutdown, system information, system self-check, register the product. Okay, whatever you're doing, it shows the top speed and total distance.
Azra bak Legolara.
Oh, you can change. Oh, you can change the color. Layla. Huh?
Ben de yapacağım. Mavi olsun, mavi. Mavi renk. Mavi renk olsun. Mavi renk.
Okay. You can even turn it off, as you see, or turn it on, off. Music. Spotify, iTunes. I don't have any music. First of all, go to settings and then find Hali X and just connect it with that, and then go to YouTube. This is no copyright. As you see, it's just syncing with the music. The lights are syncing with the music. Let's test the speakers with the Bluetooth. I found the background music, no copyright. Let's see. Öyle değil, daha öyle.